So today we are going to solve the remaining problems. Okay, right. Take your textbooks. Exercise 11.3, fifth question. Right. See, read the question. So now I am reading. So you listen. Fifth question. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet. So which circle is removed? 3 centimeter radius of circle is removed from radius of 4 centimeter circle. Okay. So here how we will find the remaining sheet? Means we have to subtract 3 centimeters radius from 4 centimeter radius of a circle. First of all, before going to remove it, we have to find the area of this circular sheet and area of removed circle. Then only we can find the area of remaining sheet. Okay. So here given, right, a radius of circular sheet. Radius of circular sheet here, assume capital R. Okay. So both radius given na, so that's why here capital R and this one consider as small r. Radius of a circular sheet is how many meters? Centimeters? 4 centimeters. Now next, radius of removed circle. So what is the removed circle here? Small r, 3 centimeters. We have to find now area of remaining sheet. So how we will get the remaining sheet? We will get the remaining sheet is area of circular sheet minus area of removed circle. Area of removed circle. Area of circle, that is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Then pi. Okay, so pi value here, take 3.14 into capital R, that is 4 square. 4 square minus pi value 3.14 into small r is 3 square. Okay, children, 3.14 into 4 square value is 16. That means 4 is raised to 2 times, not 4 2s 8. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 4s 16. Next, 3.14 into, so 3 square means not 6. 3 3s 9. Now observe in the 3.14 is common. Okay. Now I am taking that one as common. 3.14 into 16 minus 9. Okay. 16 minus 9. Now 3.14 into 16 minus 9, how much? 7, na? Right. Now multiply. So that is 3.14 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 1 7 plus 2 9. No? 7 3s are 21. Where we have to keep the decimal 2 digits before. That is 21.98 centimeter square. Okay. So here he asked, find the circular sheet find the area of the remaining sheet. So the remaining sheet is how much? 21.98 centimeter square. Therefore, area of remaining circular sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? Right, ma? See, next to sixth question. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of Okay. Salima wants to put a lace on the edge of the circular table, ma'am. So one circular table is here. The diameter is having 1.5 meters. Okay. So the total of diameter is 1.5 meters. So here find the length of the lace required. So what is the how much length of lace is required to cover the table, circular table? Then how much cost it will take? Suppose the cost of 1 meter is 15 rupees. Then what is the cost of total? Means at that time what you have to find here? Yes, exactly, circumference. Here given diameter, the diameter is 1.5 meters. So radius not given, then that is 1.5 by 2. Circumference of a circle is 2 by r. Substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.5 by 2. Then you will get the total circumference of this circular table. Okay. After that, you can multiply per meter 15 rupees. Then total you will get some answer. So then you can multiply by 15. Then you will get the total cost. Okay. Previous problem we solved the fourth problem. So similarly this one also. That's why I am giving to you homework. Sixth question I am giving to you homework in the page number 223, exercise 11.3. Sixth question solve. Sixth question is homework. Right. Next, find the perimeter of adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. So in the seventh question given, the semicircle, it is a semicircle. Okay. So it looks like a protractor, 180 degrees. If you join one more semicircle, total form a circle. So here semicircle given. Find the perimeter. You have to find the perimeter of this circle, semicircle, and the diameter is 10 centimeter. Diameter is 10 centimeter. Then how will you find the perimeter of this semicircle? We know that here diameter is 10. Okay. Perimeter is nothing but circumference. Okay. Total circumference is 2 by r. But here half of the semicircle. Half of the circle means circumference means pi r. Total 2 by r. Half means pi r. Okay. Then first write given the diameter is how many centimeters? 10 centimeters, and the radius is equal to diameter by 2. That is 10 by 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. Now I am finding the perimeter of the figure. So that perimeter of the figure is equal to, so what is the perimeter of a figure? The circumference of a semicircle. So circumference of a semicircle plus diameter. Right. So circumference of a semicircle, that is pi r, plus diameter is d. Now pi value. So here given pi value, how much more? Pi value is 3.14. So 3.14 into radius is 5 plus diameter is 10 centimeter. Now multiply 5 fours 20, 5 ones 5 plus 2 7, 5 threes are 15. 15.70 plus 10 centimeters. Now add these two, 15.70 and 10.00, that is 075 that is 25.70 centimeter is the perimeter of the figure. So how much more? 25.70 centimeters. Very good. See, in the 8th question, find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meters if the rate of polishing is 15 rupees per meter square. Okay children, here how much cost is required to polishing a circular table of diameter is 1.6 meter. 1.6 meters diameter given. So how much cost of polishing is required? Per meter square is 15 rupees. Then what is the total area of that circular table? So here you have to find the area, then only you can get the total cost of the polishing a circular table. Okay, so here you find the area, so then only you can solve the then only you can find the cost of a total circular table. So that one given to you homework, so very easy, right? Next, see 9th question. Sajali took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle and find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? Here listen. Shazili took a wire of length. Okay, Shazili, she has taken one length of the wire. The length of the wire is 44 centimeter. So that wire she has bent first in the shape of a circle. Okay, that 44 length of 44 centimeters length of wire is bent in the shape of circle. Okay, so after that she has converted them into square. After that this total length again she has converted into the shape of a square. Now which one is encloses more area? So more area. So that means here we have to find the first area of this circle and next area of square. After that only we can find which one is encloses more area. Okay, right children? Next. So okay, see the 9th one. Given values, right ma? So given values, the first total length of wire. Total length of wire. So what is the total length of wire here? 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter. Right. Here total length of the wire given 44 centimeter. So we have to find the circumference of a circle. That is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. Why I am taking circumference? Why? Because the total length of the wire is 44. That means the total distance around a circular region is called the circumference. Then the circumference of a circle is equal to 44. Then we have to find the radius. That is 44 into 1 by 2 pi, or otherwise you can write here directly 2 into, so pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 44 centimeter. Then radius is equal to 44 into 7 by 2 into 22. Simplify 22 ones, 22 twos. Then radius is equal to, here 2 to cancel, 7, how much more? 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters is the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle, the radius is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of a circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7 and radius is 7 into 7. then 22 into 7 is equal to 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 154 centimeter square. Okay, so the total area of this circle is how much? 154 centimeter square. Again, she has converted the 44 length of the wire in the shape of square. So that square means here circumference means the plane figure. What is that? Perimeter. Very good. So we know that the perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. Then 4 into side is equal to 44 centimeter. So why I have taken the square here? Perimeter of square means she has converted the same length of wire into the shape of square. Okay. Now I am writing that. You can write now. The wire is converted into square. Okay, then the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. 4 into side is equal to 44. Now we have to find the side, that is transpose 44 by 4 centimeter. It is equal to 11 centimeter. One side of the square is 11 centimeter. Then area of a square is side into side. Side into side. That is 11 centimeters into 11 centimeter. 11 into 11. So how much one? 121 centimeter square. Now children, can you compare 154 and 121? Which area is more? Circle area is more than square. Very good. So finally you write on comparing the area of circle is greater than the area of square. Therefore, circle is enclosed more area. Circle is enclosed more area. Okay, right children, copy that. See, in the 10th problem, from a circular chord sheet of radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm are removed as shown in the adjoining figure. So here in the 10th problem given, the one circular sheet given, okay, the circular sheet having 14 cm radius. In the two circles, smaller circles given and one rectangle given. So the smaller circles of radius are 3.5. So the radius is here 3.5 and this is 3.5. And here the rectangle having the length is how many meters? Length 3, breadth is 1 centimeter. So these two circles and rectangle. This part if you remove, what is the remaining area? What is the part of the remaining area? So that one we have to find. How to find that? So from total 14 centimeters radius to, okay, that means the area of circular sheet to sum of area of rectangle and area of smaller circle is removed. Then only we can find the area of the circle, area of the remaining circular sheet. Right. First given radius of circular sheet. So consider that the circular sheet is capital R is equal to 14 centimeters and the radius of smaller circles given smaller circles. Smaller circles are smaller, that is 3.5 centimeter. And given length of rectangle, so length of rectangular sheet na, so given the length of rectangle is 3 centimeters and the breadth of rectangle is 1 centimeter given. Now we have to find the area of remaining sheet. So remaining sheet means compulsory we have to remove these all parts. Then only we can find the remaining part. So how to find the area of a circular sheet first. That is area of a circular sheet minus sum of area of a smaller circle. Smaller circles, there are 2 circles are there, plus smaller circles for, and the next area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Okay, so we know that here area of circular sheet, that is pi capital R square. Smaller circles, how many smaller circles? 2 smaller circles, that is 2 pi R square plus, so area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so don't get any confusion. So it is the capital R is the total area of the circular sheet too. We are subtracting these 2 circles and area of a rectangle. Pi value here 22 by 7 into radius 14 into 14. Okay, R square means we have to multiply 14 2 times. Then 2 into, so pi R square, pi value is 22 by 7 into R smaller is 3.5 into 3.5 plus, so length into breadth, that is 3 into 1, no, 3 into 1. Okay, so observe carefully here. So here 7 ones, 7 twos. You will get 22 into 14 into 2, 28 minus, so here 7 ones, 7, right, 0.5, 7 5s are 35, that is 2 into 22 is equal to 44 into 0.5 into 3.5, how much? 0.5 into 3.5, multiply 5 5s are 25, 3 5s are 15, then 5 7 1, 1.75 plus 3 ones are 3, right. 22 into 28, adding multiply, 28 into 22, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s 4 plus 5, that is 56, total 616, 616 minus 44 into 1.75, okay, so 1.75 into 44, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s 28 plus 2 30, 4 ones 4 plus 3 7, again 700, so add, that is 77.00, 77.00 nothing but 77 plus 3. Okay, 616 minus 77 plus 3, how much? 80. Now subtract 80 from 616. You will get 6. 1 minus 8 not subtract, so take bar. 11 minus 8 is 3. And here 1 is reduced, that is 5. So what is the remaining circular sheet? 536 centimeter square. So therefore the remaining sheet is how much? 536 centimeter square. 536 centimeter square. See children, and next to come to the 11th question. A circle of radius 2 centimeters is cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of side 6 centimeter. What is the area of the leftover aluminum sheet? Okay, so here circle of radius 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeters radius of circle is cut out from the square piece of an aluminium sheet, that is each side is 6 centimeter. Then square piece, square means what is the area of that aluminium sheet? Very good, 36 centimeters, right, 36 centimeter square. From 36 centimeter square to this radius of circle 2 centimeter is removed. So that means here also you have to find the area of the circle and area of the square. Finally, how much area of the leftover aluminium sheet. So here leftover means you have to subtract. Okay, right. I am giving to you this one homework. So very easy. Solve 11th question homework. See 12th problem, children. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the radius of the circle. Here circumference of a circle, that means the total length of the circle is 31.4 centimeter given. Find the radius and the area. So it is also very easy. R value first you find, after that area of the circle, that is pi r square. You know that na? Radius, if you know, it can easy to find the radius area of a circle, na? Right. So I hope you can do these all problems. So 12th question also I am giving to you home. Next, see 13th question. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meters wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meters. What is the area of this path? Okay, so here area of the path we have to find. First, given circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meters wide. Okay, the circular flower bed, the flower bed is in the form of circle. This circular flower bed of diameter is 66 meters. Okay, so along with this circle, 4 meters path wide is there. Okay, what is the area of this path? So this path we have to find. Actually, with path, without path is given. So how to find the area of the total path means you have to subtract from with wide and without wide. You can take. Okay, first given the values are given the diameter of circular flower bed. So circular flower bed, that is 66 meters. Okay, so first area we have to find enough. So that's why we need radius. Then radius of circular flower bed is, radius means this is the half of the diameter, that is 66 by 2 meter is equal to 2 ones to 33 meters. This is the radius of the circular flower bed. So after that he given wide 4 meters. Okay, 4 meters wide given. Then so some radius is we have to add, so this total 33 with wide means very good 37 meters. Then the radius of flower bed with 4 meters wide path. The wide path, that is 33 plus 4 is equal to 37 meters. Okay, ma? First actually the circle of diameter 66 meters. After that surrounding 4 meters wide is there. 4 meters wide means some extra 4 meters added. That is 37 meters. Now we have to find according to the question. Area of the path is equal to, so area of the So circular flower bed minus area of see this one now consider as a smaller circle. Consider that is bigger circle and this is a smaller circle. So area of a circular flower bed that is bigger circle you can write. So then you will not get any confusion. For bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. So bigger circle means bigger circle is capital pi r square and smaller is smaller pi r square. Now in between pi is common, take as common pi r square minus smaller square. So what you have to take the pi value here? 3.14 into so 37 square minus 33 square. Okay, right. 3.14 into. So observe here, this one algebraic identities are a square minus b square. So what is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So this formula, so just remember in the next class, next chapter you will learn the formulas about this a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Substitute 37 square minus 33, that is 37 plus 33 into 37 minus 33. Okay, 3.14 into 37 plus 33, how much? 70 into 37 minus 33 is 4. Then 3.14 into 74 to 80. Now multiply by 280. 3.14, so that is 0. Next 8 fours 32, 8 ones 8 plus 3 11, 8 threes 24 plus 1 25. After that leave tens place, 2 fours 8, 2 ones 2, 2 threes 6. Then add 0, 2, 9, 7, 8. So where the decimal point? Before 2. That 879.20 meter square. So tell me what is the area of the path? Therefore, the area of the path is, the remaining area of the path is 879.20 meter square. Okay, students, up to now we have completed 13 problems. So today enough. Only I given 4 problems. The 4 problems you have to solve neatly and send in the Google form. Still, if you have any doubts regarding the circle problems, you come to and join in the live interaction. You can clarify your doubts. Okay, bye students.